So hey guys, my dear Earth element, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, I hope you also be a part of this journey. So please do like, share, and subscribe. Please give your support. Please do subscribe because your each and every support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps me to grow this channel as well. So we are going to see about your person in this video. We are going to see about your person current feelings and your person next action, and as well as we are going to see about the guidance as well for your love life. Okay, so let's start the reading now. So if at all your zodiac sign is a Taurus, will go Capricorn, you can look this video because this video is especially for the Earth element, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Wow. The bottom of the deck, we get Ace of Wands. Let's check for your person next action. Wow. So bottom of the deck, we get the Sun card. So for the current energy, you can see from your person's side is an Ace of Cups. The first card is Ace of Cups. The next card is Knight of Pentacles, and the third card is the Ten of Cups. Wow. So this person is wanting some kind of a brand new beginning because in the bottom of the deck as well, we get the Ace of Wands and we get the Ace of Cups. Okay. So if at all you're waiting for any kind of a reconciliation, congratulations guys, your person will try to reconcile with you. Okay. Because this person is wanting some kind of a family. Okay. They are seeing you as their family. They want some kind of an happy family with you. They are seeing a long-term relationship. They are seeing like a marriage kind of relationship towards you. Okay. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. So okay, so yeah, we get a lot of swords and we get the high priestess. If at all if a person has not been confessed their true feelings, there may be heavy kind of a chances that your person will try to confess true feelings. Okay, their true feelings over you. Maybe I hope so. There may be some kind of a distances involved here right now. Maybe it's be like a physical distance or it could be like a communication difference, whatever it could be. But overall, I can see that maybe in the past your person was not taking any kind of an action, but they want some kind of a solid offer towards you. They want to give you some kind of a solid offers towards you. Okay, so that right now I can see that this person is coming on your way. They are healing themselves and they are coming with the hope of the universe. They are coming on your way and they want some kind of a solid commitment with you, and they are also providing you that solid commitment towards you. Okay, they are seeing some kind of a completion here, and yeah, overall I can see some kind of an emotional here, emotional energies towards your person, some kind of an loving energy, emotional energy towards your person. Okay, and let's see about your person extraction. Wow, the magician, the major kind of card. The next card we get a Four of Wands, and the next card we get the Fool card, and the bottom of the deck we get the Sun. Okay, so what I've been see that what I've been said to you earlier, this person is putting some kind of an hope towards the universe. Okay, and they are coming and they are coming and they want some kind of a solid offer with the four of wands and with the ten of cups and with the current energy and the next actions. We can clearly see that your person will try to give you some kind of a proposal, some kind of a love proposal, or else some kind of a married offers kind of a proposal. Okay, so overall I can see that this person wants to marry you, this person wants to be with you, this person wants to marry you. I hope that you also want to marry this person. You also looking some kind of a long long-term growth with your person, and it is be like a mirror reflection here. You're either you maybe see this person as your soulmate, whereas your person see you as an twin flame. So it could be like a vice versa. Somehow you both feel that this could be like an spiritual connection, like a twin flame, so like a soulmate kind of an vibration. Either you can't be stay away from this person, or else your person cannot be stay away from you. Maybe I can see that there may be some kind of a distance has been happened in the past, but right now I can see that your both energy is being like some kind of a lovey-dovey kind of an energy I can see here. Okay, so overall I can see that there will be some kind of a brand new beginning. There is be like a very beautiful card like Ace of Cups, Four of Wands, and the Ten of Cups. Okay, so there will be some kind of a brand new beginning will be happen with, because I can see the full card as well. So I can see that this person will also try to take some kind of a step towards you, and as well as I can see that you guys may also take some kind of a step towards your person. Either you take some kind of a step, either they can also take some kind of a step. But anyway, whoever taking any kind of a steps over here, either you or your person, I can see some kind of a mutual energies over here. Okay, some kind of a mutual energy, some kind of a mutual effort, some kind of a mutual bonding will become into this relationship when it comes to this month. Okay, so what I can see again the sun card, again the sun card. So there may be a lot of similarities you can be see from your person, and you maybe feel that this person could be your perfect soulmate for you. This person is be like a spiritual union. It's be like an yeah, it's be like an yeah, I can see that it's be like your divine counterpart. You maybe think that you are dealing with your divine counterpart with the sun card and with the fool card. Again, I can see that there may be some kind of blessings is coming on your way. For example, if at all you are married, there may be some kind of a chances that you maybe look for like a pregnancy kind of a stuffs, or you maybe have any kind of a kids in the future. You maybe have some kind of a planning over for the pregnancy, and as well as I can see with this full card and with the sun card, I can see some kind of a good changes is coming on your way, because you also want to be grow with this person. You also want to be like heal your childhood traumas. Maybe this person has been healed your childhood traumas, and as well as I can see that you want to grow with this person. You are feeling somehow you are feeling like a childish kind of an energy when you're around this person. You maybe feel some kind of a good vibrant when it comes to this person. You maybe feel that this person is be like a lucky in your life, because this person will definitely bring some kind of a light in your life. You know that, okay? Even though there is a dark, this person will try to bring some kind of a light in your life. You know that, okay? So somehow I can see that you may come into that relationship. If at all there may be some kind of an argument has happened, you may right now you will be try to understand that this person is be loyal with you, this person is genuinely loyal with you, and as well as you are seeing some kind of a growth over this person, and there may be some kind of a chances that you will try to meet this person in a real and as well as I can see that a brand new beginning from both the end, and as well as I can see that there will be some kind of a compromise mindset in your way. Okay, there may be some kind of a compromise mindset in your way. So I can see some kind of a peaceful growth here. Whereas in the past, there was not any kind of a peaceful growth, but in the future, I can see some kind of a peaceful growth. And there may be some kind of a chances that your person may try to take some kind of a tarot readings, or they may be reach out to any kind of an their elder person to find out some kind of a solution towards your relationship, so that this relationship can get growth. Okay, so either you or your person may take some kind of an opinion from other person, like a good advice, not a wrong advice. Okay, so let's see like what kind of messages we are getting for you right now about your love relationship from the universe side. For the earth element, like Taurus will go on Capricorn. Okay, so what I've been saying, you want to grow with this person, and this person also want to grow with you. You can, by seeing this card itself, we can say that there may be some kind of a spiritual connection is happening here. Okay, a divine union, divine counterpart, some kind of a spiritual union is happening here, and you are be like a mirror reflection of this person. Yes. So the first messages we can see that, yeah, when by seeing this card I can see that again it's be like a mirror reflection. This person will try to open up, or else you maybe try to open up your true feelings towards this person. If at all you are not confused, you maybe try to open up your true feelings towards this person, because you both are mirroring each other. You both are marrying each other. If at all you are be like a far apart, you are looking this person. Um, you love this person attention because you wants to grow. You want to grow. Okay, life is a series of constantly shifting cycle. When we resist changes, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. So go with the flow, you will be surprised where it leads. So guys, don't try to be like a vulnerable. Don't try to be like an don't try to be like a controlling kind of a situation. Try to be like open-minded so that things will be get clear. If at all this person may cause any kind of a problem, if at all your person may cause any kind of a pain towards you on the past, try to be open-minded, okay? So the situation will definitely heal, because I can see that there may be some kind of a third party influences in your way, so that this relationship has been messed up on the past, okay? So next we get the card like power. You are so you instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Yeah. So if you don't like any kind of a third party kind of things is there, I hope you maybe try to walk away from the third party, or else right now I can see that there is some kind of a chances that your person is coming on your way, and there may be some kind of a chances that you maybe resist your person. Because again when I see this card, I can see that maybe you are not trying to be come out from that past energy where this person given you some kind of a pain in the past. You are not healed from that completely, so that you need some kind of a space. You are putting some kind of a past game here, and you are right now you're trying to be focused on your side, even though this person is coming forward. But I hope that for some kind of a people, for the Taurus will go and Capricorn, for the earth element, I can see that you are putting some kind of a pause button here. You're not trying to be open up. And the last card we get a forgiveness. Yes, yeah. So stop focusing your energy on the past event. You for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. So yes, you if at all for some kind of an earth element, I can clearly say that if at all you guys are be like stubborn, if at all you guys are be like a sticky, that this person has been caused this kind of this kind of an like toxicity towards me. This person have treated me in a wrong way. This person have been cheated me. Whatever the things has been happened in the past, you should need to be forgive that, okay? Because you are stopping some kind of a beautiful reunion, because we have that sexual union as well, okay? Honor the place in one another where you are one eternal soul. For there you will find you will find your true bliss, okay? So this is your partner. This is your partner. You want a serious commitment. You want a serious offer, but somehow you are resisting. For some kind of the people, I can see that you maybe resist this reunion with your person. This is the right time for you that you should need to be open up. You should need to be listen. You should need to be get a good guidance, okay? Because universe is saying that you should need to be forgive whatever the mistake this person have been done in the past. You should need to forgive that, and you should need to embrace it, okay? So those are the thing I can see that, so that your relationship will definitely get good growth. And overall, if at all you are not resisting, you are welcoming your person, and then it's not any problem at all. I think there may be some kind of a good growth, and there may be some kind of a good abundance will be happen on your relationship, okay? So these are the energy I can see for the earth element. So overall, it has been like a very positive reading. Some kind of a changes usually be done in your way, so that this relationship will definitely grow in a good way, okay? So these are the messages I am seeing in your reading. I hope it will be resonant with you. If at all it is resonant with you, please give a like, share, and subscribe. If all your friends and followers may like tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them, so that they can also get some kind of a clarity. If at all you want to book any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out either on my like WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. Both the both the like details have been given in the pinned command. You can go and check with that. If at all you guys want to learn any kind of tarot reading classes, you can join on my classes as well. Okay, so for the detail, you can again reach out either on my WhatsApp or also either on my Instagram. And as well as guys, like the way you are giving us support on my YouTube, please give us support on my Instagram channel as well. And as well as for the next reading, we are going to see about your person channel or messages as a very detailed manner. We are going to check, okay, for the next reading. So guys, please stay tuned. And as well as one more time I want to say that please give your support, please give your love and support, because you are each person because you are each and every person support will definitely motivates me a lot, and it will definitely help me to grow this channel as well. So please do subscribe, see you guys in the next video. Until then, love you all, take care, bye bye.